Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are all doing well. It's Oscar, and we're back again with another kind of market recap day trading challenge little update. So today, of course, or at least if you're in the stock market, you saw that the market did tank pretty heavily. Basically reached highs of, I believe it was 435, 436 almost. And before basically dropping all the way down to 426 again, and then starting to rally back up after Biden had his talk right around this area. So pretty interesting stuff, to be honest. And I believe actually Biden's talk started around here at 1:45 p.m. was 12:45, but 1:45. So pretty interesting. SPY did bounce up pretty easily on the 426 twice and then started to rally back up. So not the best of days for me, unfortunately, but it's just another thing I kind of need to, I guess, learn. So let's zoom in here a little bit and we'll take a closer look. So as you can see here, I did do two trades. The second trade I probably shouldn't have done. I should have probably just kept it and not touched it. But anyways, first trade was going to be some 419 puts on SPY at 60 bucks a piece. So I did buy two of those for 120 bucks. And that was at 941, which was here on this candle. So I guess the main thing I was watching for here, now mind you, this is the 1 minute chart on the right hand side, this is the 5 minute chart on the left hand side. So looking here, I saw it open and it started to tank pretty quickly. So I thought there was going to be this little momentum right here and then these two candles, and then we're going to continue red. But unfortunately that wasn't the case, and instead of going red, we completely turned to the green side with three pretty strong I guess we could say pretty strong green bars here, a little bit of selling pullback right here, and then another push, and then the same thing, and then yet another push up higher. I got trapped on this pretty hard, and like you see here, 941 I got in, 949 up here, almost at the very top I got out, which I should have probably just gotten out here after the very first push, but I decided to get out here at 949 up at the top here. That was basically like a 40% loss, so got 70 bucks out of it. And then the second trade, which like I said, I probably shouldn't have taken, it almost felt like a revenge trade, which I've heard, and I tell myself plenty of times, you shouldn't do it. If you lost on one try, don't try to, go back looking for more profits unless you know it's going to go the other way or the way that you want. So the second trade, I decided to buy one for 11 put. I think I had like $12 buying power left in the account. So, decided to buy a, let's see, 411 put for $8 at 958, which would be right here on this red, candle here, and held it until 1016, which we basically stayed at the exact same level, which didn't really move much. So if we go here, 1016, we basically got in at 948 and sold right at the same level, just what would that be, 18 minutes later. So there wasn't any real, I guess, reason for this trade, unless, I'm saying it was more of a revenge trade, which like I said, I probably shouldn't have done, but you live and you learn, and you just kind of have to go from your mistakes and do better. If I would have held that trade, sure, all the way down here, I probably would have made some money if I would have capitalized and gotten in here at the very top and rode this all the way down at the high of like 436, 435. I could have easily made maybe $100 or $200, $300 on this trade. So that is if I would have held and been patient, waited out this very first hour and kind of gotten in here at 10:30 instead of jumping the gun and getting in at 9:30. So If I would have just waited 1 more hour, I could have gotten the spiciest trade and made some great gains. I could have probably scaled in here, gotten out here, scaled in here, gotten out here, or at the very bottom. And I don't know, the options could have been endless. And these $35 or these contracts that I sold for $35 would have probably been maybe $20 up here. So I could have probably picked up 5 or 6 of them instead of 2 of them and gotten a much bigger payout on them. So it's just another thing for me to kind of learn how to be patient, kind of learn from my mistakes. This is why I'm doing these videos, so I can learn from my mistakes, be patient, get in at the right times, look for these indicators, and just overall become a better trader. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, please drop a like. If you have any comments or any tips, put those down below. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and share the video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.